Hello, everyone. Today we are going to present our final project. It's a rhythm game that we developed during this AI camp. We're excited to share with you what we have learned and what we have accomplished over the past week. We also took inspiration from a well-known game called Osu, like Osu Mania, and we'll show you a video of what our goal was when we were in the process of making the game. Yeah, it's just like a basic rhythm game that many of you have probably already played. So next, we'll start by giving you a brief overview of the game and how it works. And then we'll create the demo for you. So our game is built using Pygame, which is a popular library for creating games with Python. We started by setting the Pygame window and initializing the necessary Pygame modules. And then we loaded the music and sound effects that we wanted to use in the game. Next, we set up the game variables, such as the number of lanes, the speed of the notes, and the timing of the window for pressing the keys. We also created a class for the notes, which stores information about the note's position, color, and timing. We used this class to create a list to hold all the notes for the current song. Now let's talk about the game loop. This is the main part of the game where we handle the events. Update the notes, draw the notes and background, and update the display of each frame. Within the game loop, we handle the events by checking for the key presses and quitting the game if necessary. We update the notes by moving them up and down the screen and checking if they have reached the designated area at the bottom. If a note has reached the bottom area, we check if the correct keys has been pressed within the timing window. If so, we play the corresponding sound effect and remove the note from the list. If not, we pass the note by without a sound. Finally, we draw the notes and background on the screen and update the display to show the updated game state. That's a brief overview of how our game works. And now Bruce or Hamza can continue.
Okay. So as for the challenges we faced while programming the game, it was very difficult to get the note map and to play like the music inside Pygame, and that's also something like new that I learned because I haven't really like worked with Pygame that much before. And yeah, so that's about like the challenges that the group faced. And now onto Hamza.
So I'm gonna be talking about something like things we could have added if we had more time. We could have added additional difficulties like easy, medium, and hard, where easy would be like a slower speed and medium and hard would be more sped up as opposed to easy. And if we had more time, we probably could have added more songs, giving the game more like a variety, like more things that you could do in it. Those are the things that we would probably add if we had more time. I think that Julian could speak now on this.
Yeah, so we for the sorry, it was pretty difficult to make the project. But ultimately we all had a good time making it. Yep, that concludes our presentation.
Oh, could you do the demo or should I?
Oh yeah, I can do the demo, so I'll
All right.
screen it. So yeah. So we can control the menu with the up and down keys and the enter key. And then when it starts, we go immediately into the level. And since we only made the easy setting, it's not that difficult, but yeah.